Yeah, it's already worked. What we have here today. Look at this nice box. So small, but with huge possibilities. Let's open, let's see. I was waiting for this machine long time. It was out of stock, and now finally I have it, and I tried, and I was impressed. I was really impressed because for this money, this machine gives you so many, it's unbelievable. You know, in just one machine you have liner, shader and color packing. I tried and it's powerful color packing. It's so soft shading, powerful and sharp liner, and so easy to set it during the work. Even you don't need to stop machine, just set stroke that you need and work. We have here most important, of course, this option changing the stroke. We have till from 2.4 till 4.2. Even I don't know who will work 2.4, maybe face makeup, but I used 2.7. It was so soft, really soft shading, but I prefer 3.0 for shading. It's really comfortable. It's a click system to change your needle length, and it's so quiet. About buttons, it's the same as we have in Racer. The same operation system, plus minus, turn on, turn off, the same button. And that's all. And just change the stroke and do what you want to do. It's powerful, it's light, and it's really quiet. Yeah, it's already worked. On display we have time, battery charging and voltage. At the start it have 8 volts and I didn't change it, and for me it's perfect for shading, for color packing and for lining. For example, the sound of Racer. Racer is the great machine too, but you see we have different size because of this mechanism of stroke changing. Of course we need displays, but if we turn 3.9, almost 4, it will be the same as Racer. The sound of Racer, the sound of 4 Pro. You hear difference. So we have one battery in the box. Just put it on, take it off. It's only 1,500 milliamperes, but it will be enough, I think, 4-6 hours of work, maybe for sure 5, because I made work in 2.5 hours, full charged, and 60% left. So I think 5 hours will be for sure. Good quality, really good quality, and was little surprised one more time by the needles, by the cartridges from Dragonhawk. I was skeptical because of the price. The price is really low, and you know, you expect from not expensive product that it will be not so quality, but I was wrong. Really, I was wrong, and I think I will work with these cartridges sometime, and maybe I will change my usual cartridges. It looks simple. It just do what they need to do, what they must to do. It's sharp, it's quiet, it don't make ink blowing. You can see the video with close-ups I had after my review. Take one box, it's not too many money, but you will understand that quality is not always must be expensive. RS, and so very comfortable box with blocking from this side. I like how this cartridges, this needles works. It's sharp, it's precision, and no ink blowing. I love this stuff, really love this stuff. I was waiting, I was excited, and I'm happy I have it. I think now it will be my number one, maybe sometimes Racer, because Racer it's easy to wrap, because here I didn't figure out yet what kind of wrapping I must use here, because you see you have movement here and here. Under foil it's not easy. I saw some artists put just a foil just here and bend, but let's make tattooing safe, really? Links under video. Use my code, order, and for sure you will satisfied. I am satisfied because, you know, I used many machines, very expensive machines, not expensive, but this is one of the best machines I ever hold in my hands. And the price is just $250, I think. So, links under video, click, use my code. Now you can watch some close-ups. See you next time.